How to recover your deleted Gmail account. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how can you recover your deleted Gmail account. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your Gmail app, and once you are on your Gmail app, then at the upper right side you will get a profile picture icon. Tap on it and then tap on add another account. Then it will say set up email. Tap on Google and now verify your identity by giving your PIN number, password or fingerprint. And after that, here you have to type your deleted Gmail account name, and after that tap on next. And then here, as you can see, that it says account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. Tap on next. And after that, here you have to type your Gmail password. So type your Gmail password here. After typing your password, then tap on next. And here you can see that welcome. Tap on I agree. And my account has been recovered. So I'm going to show you. Here you can see that that deleted Gmail account has been recovered. So that's how you can recover your deleted Gmail account. And one thing you have to keep in your mind is that you can recover your Gmail account within a short period of time after deletion. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.